In 2002, servicing mission 3B launched with a big to-do list: repair and upgrade NASA's Hubble Space Telescope. Once the telescope was fully grappled, it was time to get to work. First up, replace the old solar arrays with new and improved versions that increased Hubble's power intake by 20%. Hubble also needed a new power control unit to distribute and regulate the increased electricity. Next up, installation of the advanced camera for surveys. This camera allows Hubble to capture wider vistas of the universe at a higher resolution than ever before. Lastly, the astronauts brought one of Hubble's most critical instruments, called NICMOS, back to life after 2-year dormancy, once again unleashing Hubble's power to peer into the invisible infrared. 12 days and 5 spacewalks later, Hubble's capabilities had greatly advanced, allowing the NASA team to accomplish historical strides in our understanding of the universe.